In this video, I'll show you how to get a 3D wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen using Apple's built-in spatial photo feature. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and choose a photo you like. Photos with a clear subject in the foreground work best. At the top right corner, tap the pentagon icon. Your iPhone will automatically generate a 3D spatial scene. If you gently move your phone, you'll see the background shift differently from the foreground, creating that 3D depth effect. Once you've found a photo you like, we can turn it into your lock screen wallpaper. Now open Settings, tap Wallpaper, and choose Add New Wallpaper. You can also access this by pressing and holding on your lock screen and tapping Customize. Select Photos, then choose the photo you just tested. At first, it may look flat. To enable the 3D effect, tap the pentagon icon again. You'll see a message that says Generating Spatial Scene. Once that finishes, gently move your phone again. Now the wallpaper has a live 3D effect, where the foreground and background move independently. This gives your lock screen a really cool, immersive look whenever you pick up your iPhone. Once you're happy with it, save the wallpaper and you're all set. If this video helped you, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who loves customizing their iPhone. We're a new channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.